Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken veggie salad. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, a bag of mixed greens, and a variety of fresh vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Wash and chop all your veggies into bite-sized pieces. This preparation step is key for a quick and enjoyable salad experience. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and efficient. Now let's assemble your delicious salad. In a large bowl, combine your mixed greens, the chopped vegetables, and the cooked chicken. Feel free to add extra toppings like a 1/4 cup of toasted almonds or a sprinkle of feta cheese for added flavor and crunch. Once everything is in the bowl, gently toss it all together. This ensures every bite has a wonderful mix of flavors and textures. The final touch is the dressing. Drizzle your prepared dressing over the salad. You can use about 1/4 cup of dressing, adjusting to your preference. Gently toss the salad one more time to ensure every piece is coated. This step brings all the flavors together beautifully. Serve your chicken veggie salad immediately to enjoy its freshness and vibrant taste. It's perfect for a light lunch or dinner. One of the best things about this salad is its versatility. You can easily customize it by swapping out the chicken for other proteins like grilled turkey or even a 1/2 cup of roasted chickpeas. Try adding seasonal fruits, such as a 1/4 cup of sliced strawberries or apple pieces, for a refreshing sweet and savory combination. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy creating your perfect chicken veggie salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.